All right, Algebra 2's page number 10 today. We're going to start with question 27. You can do this question. We're basically verifying a Pythagorean identity. Now, this is a proof. It's an Algebra 2 proof, which just means we want to get this side and this side to say the same thing, okay? So I just have to show my work proving that at the end these two sides are in fact equal, okay? So here's the deal. We're going to take this and we're going to square that binomial. So let's start with that, okay? We've got x squared plus y squared times another. Okay, so we're going to FOIL that. X squared times x squared, x to the fourth. X squared times y squared is x squared y squared. And then on the inside here, we have another x squared y squared. And then y squared times y squared is y to the fourth. All right, I'm going to simplify this up. So I've got x to the fourth. These are like terms, so there are two of them. And then y to the fourth. So that's one side. Now I have to make this side, hopefully, say that. All right, so we're going to do another FOIL. This is a FOIL right here. So we're going to go x squared minus y squared times another. We're going to FOIL that out. So there's your x to the fourth. Now this time we have a negative x squared y squared and another negative x squared y squared. And then negative times negative, again, is positive y to the fourth. All right, I'm going to combine my two like terms. So you're going to have x to the fourth minus minus, which is minus 2 x squared y squareds, and then a y to the fourth. All right, we also have to remember that this piece was there. So when I square that, I'm doing 2xy times another 2xy. All right, so we're going to multiply everything. So 2 times 2 is 4. Ooh, just broke my lead a little bit. 4. You have to multiply the x and the x, which is x squared, and the y, which is y squared. Now, hopefully, when I combine like terms here, it will say this. So x to the fourth, no like terms, x to the fourth. Negative 2x squared y squared plus 4x squared y squared is positive 2 x squared y squareds. And then this guy has the only like term there. And in fact, these two things are equal. And that's done. Okay, so you can stop when you have both sides equal to each other, okay, no matter where that is. Now, this one we've not really talked about. We haven't gotten to statistics. It is the last unit that we hit in Algebra 2. So basically, here's the deal. Mrs. Jones has hundreds of jelly beans in a bag that contained equal numbers of 6 different flavors. Her student randomly selected 4 jelly beans, and they were all black licorice. Her student complained and said, "What are the odds I got all of that kind?" Mrs. Jones replied, "Simulate rolling a die 250 times and tell me if 4 black licorice jelly beans is unusual." So we have to do an explanation, okay? So we're going to write in words how this simulation could be used to solve the problem. So in the problem, we're dealing with black jelly beans, okay? Jelly beans. The deal is that that bag had equal numbers of 6 jelly beans. So the chance of pulling 1 black jelly bean is 1 flavor out of 6 flavors. Okay, so the probability of pulling a black jelly bean is 1 out of 6. So Mrs. Jones comes back and says, hey, roll a die. Now that has nothing to do with jelly beans, but what is consistent to the jelly bean situation is that a die has 6 sides, and we would assign the black jelly beans a number, okay? So you would assign each flavor a number, 1 through 6. Then you would roll the die. How many jelly beans did he pick? He got 4 jelly beans. Roll the die 4 times and record your answers. So as you're rolling that die, you would get the same number, specifically, like if you assigned it 4, you would roll 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, so that's what you would do. You would assign each flavor a number, 1 through 6, and then roll the die 4 times. Bless you, Leah. You're welcome. Don't ever hold it in. You're good to go, buddy. So you roll the die 4 times and you just record your answers and see how many times the black jelly bean occurred. Did I spell that right? Occurred? R-R-R? I don't know. That's why I teach math. Sorry. Occurred. Go ahead. You can sneeze. It's okay. I'm all done with these guys. So there's question number 10, or I'm sorry, page number 10. If you guys have any questions, get a hold of me. Maybe we could like do a chat session. All right. I miss you. Talk to you soon. Bye.